Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M7 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the option Additional Settings. Then let's tap on Languages and Input and tap on Languages at the top. So here we've been immediately transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose, and fortunately in this device changing language is really easy. Just find the language which you'd like to apply and tap on it. It will be immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. So as I said, it's quite easy. Let me change it to English. Again, just tap on it and it will be immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.